After weeks of testimony, we finally heard from the jury. Day 22 started with the judge instructing the jury as to the law, and they got to deliberating. Not that long after, we received two notes. The first one was a request of testimony to be read back to them, both from David Pecker and Michael Cohen. Crucially, the testimony regarding the 2015 Trump Tower meeting that the prosecution said started the whole scheme. They also asked for the judge to reread the jury instructions. Perhaps most crucially, the judge instructed the jury as how to decide whether or not Donald Trump intentionally caused the falsification of the business records. He said they could find it was intentional if the resulting fraud was a natural, necessary, and probable consequence of his conduct. The judge also informed the jury as how to evaluate Michael Cohen's testimony as an accomplice to the crime. He said that accomplice testimony cannot be seen as credible unless it is corroborated by other evidence at trial. Perhaps this is why the jury asked to see both Michael Cohen and David Pecker's testimony about that Trump Tower 2015 meeting. We know that it's consistent because we remember hearing it at the time, but the jury may be trying to double check it for themselves. Otherwise, it's always hard to read into the jury questions. It's true that the prosecution would be happy that the jury rehears the testimony from David Pecker and Michael Cohen, but we will have to wait to see what the jury verdict is to really know what those questions meant.